Hi and welcome to Spot On. I'm Sabine from Porsche, and in this video I will show you the climate control panel of the new Porsche Cayenne.
Check it out.
Let's first look at the individual buttons of the climate control panel in detail. Please make sure that your air conditioning system is activated. If it's turned off, just move up the toggle switch once. Using the 5 switches, you can control your air conditioning system to set the perfect temperature setting and the strength of the airflow. Simply move the respective rocker switch up or down to change the temperature or to change the intensity. The selected temperature and airflow rate are shown in the climate control display. More air flows into the interior as more bars are displayed. Note that setting the temperature temporarily to a lower or higher value will not cool or heat the interior to the desired temperature faster. When sync mode is activated, the displayed values for all climate zones change to the driver's values. I recommend to use the automatic climate control. In this case, depending on influencing factors such as interior temperature, sunlight and air quality, the air conditioning system regulates the air distribution and airflow fully automatically. To activate the automatic mode, simply press the auto button in the center console. In AC Max mode, the passenger compartment is cooled at maximum power, which makes it ideal for you to quickly cool down on hot summer days. Just move the center toggle switch upwards one more time to activate the max mode. To turn it off, move the toggle switch down again. Seat heating, which can be adjusted in 3 different stages, can be switched on and off over here. Last but not least, there are buttons for defrosting the windscreen and a button for heating the rear window and the exterior mirrors, which ensures you a good view and a safe ride during all your trips. Your Cayenne is also equipped with auto recirculation, which detects tunnel entrances. This prevents exhaust fumes from reaching the passenger compartment. When route guidance is enabled, automatic recirculation works at its best. This is because tunnels along the route are taken into account at an early stage. To activate the air recirculation mode manually, click on this button. Let's get to the last button. Pressing the climate menu button takes you directly to the climate menu of the Porsche Communication Management System. There, you can make further settings or refine them. Alternatively, you can always access the menu by pressing the climate icon on the Porsche Communication Management System. Here, you can set the strength of the airflow in automatic mode and choose between the 2 modes, soft and strong. In addition, it is also possible to manually control the direction of air distribution. This will turn the automatic mode off. Click on one or more of the 3 buttons to specify the air distribution in the relevant climate zone individually. When Eco mode is switched on, the air conditioning system operates particularly consumption optimized. Comfort restrictions, such as slower heating or cooling of the interior, are therefore possible in favor of consumption. The upper ventilation panel on top of the dashboard provides additional ventilation of the interior. The ventilation can be switched on or off separately in the Porsche Communication Management System, pressing this button. While the air conditioning system regulates the outflowing air volume automatically. Tapping the settings icon in the lower right area lets you individually adjust the temperature for the footwell in 3 levels. Another way to control your air conditioning system quickly is by using voice commands. With the help of the built-in voice control, you can easily access them by pressing the voice control button on the steering wheel, or if activated, using just your voice by saying commands like, "Hey Porsche, set the air conditioning to 21 degrees, or "Hey Porsche, my window is fogging up." Please note that with all shown options, the air conditioning is most effective with the windows closed. We hope you enjoyed the video and wish you a safe and pleasant journey. See you in the next video.